We're doing a thing, y'all, that we've never done before. Let me show you. It's meat bird time. We got 25 Cornish rocks. And most of them are already 2 weeks old, so we got them for a discount. Here they are. These are Cornish cross, so they're called Cornish rock chickens. We got 25. So they are in the brooder here, eating a lot of food. So we'll probably keep them in here for 3 more weeks, 2 to 3 more weeks, and then we're gonna build a outdoor temporary chicken run. We'll use cattle panel and make like an arch and cover it with a tarp for their shelter. And then we will go ahead and give them a little yard to like run around in. Here they are, happy and healthy. A lot of them are already 2 weeks old. And like that one right there drinking is like a little fluffer. She doesn't really have any feathers. Of course, it's a straight run. But you can see a lot of them have feathers on their wings. And I was told that they are 2 weeks old from the store. So we got them at a discount price at Tractor Supply because they're older. We got $1 off each of these chicks. I think we only have 4, 5, 6, maybe about 6 that are not 2 weeks old. They're about a week behind the other ones. Kitty kitties. We just moved the kittens over here. So they have this nice enclosed area they can romp around in. They outgrew their little box. Hi, Mama. Where are those little girls? Kitties, come here. Kitties. Hello, cutie. Oh, cutie, cutie. All the calicos are girls. The other ones are boys. Hi, little ones. Okay, we're gonna do a quick garden scan. Snap peas and green beans. Do have some green beans coming in. Just planted some of the tomatoes. Tomatillos. And some Paul Robeson tomatoes. So I'm planting all these along here. Then I'm planning on doing more beans, more bush beans in the front. And a couple of peppers that survived outside. Onions, no garlic coming up yet. Do have some squash coming up. Spaghetti squash, Ford hook, there and there. That's just a piece of grass right here. And then some butternut squash still haven't come up. The potatoes are doing awesome. So we've buried them a couple times. I don't know at what point we're supposed to stop burying them, so I'm gonna have to do some research on that. But yeah, they're looking good. I have Andre help me cover them, so they're all weird looking. Something's already getting in here. That's not them. That's not them. They're not coming up yet. But I've got some coming up here. So that's exciting. And then snap peas here. This has cucumber, which I don't see any cucumber coming up yet. These are all weeds. But you have some nice bean plants coming in. I don't know what that is. Looks like radish. Oh yeah, that's right. I did put radish around the edges. There's another one. I forgot I did that. Well, they're happy in here. We'll put on some lights before it gets to nightfall here. We don't want anybody being cold tonight. We do have a few younger ones in here, like I showed you. There's a couple that aren't as old as the other ones. So, boy, they're big. Look at them. You missed. They do this every night. Why do you get so hyper? So that's just a really quick, short video today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.